Good morning, students. Welcome to another lesson. We are discussing the same Unit 2, Life Processes. Our topic is Life Processes. We are going to discuss about learner's book pages 33 till 38 and workbook pages 19 and 20. Learning objectives for today's lesson are to describe that all living things grow, to explain that movement is a life process that all animals move, to explain that nutrition is a life process and all animals, plants and humans need nutrition to stay alive. These were some helpful YouTube links. Keywords for today's lesson are kiting, movement, growth, bar chart, height, danger, nutrition. Movement and growth. All living things move and grow and get nutrition. A baby will grow into an adult. A seed will grow into a tree. We are going to discuss about learner's book page number 33. What is growing? All animals start as young. We call human young babies. Babies are small and must be looked after because they cannot look after themselves. We are going to discuss learner's book pages 37 and 38, that is nutrition in humans and nutrition in animals. First we will recall our lesson where we discussed about life processes. If you remember, we discussed about life processes, about movement. What is movement? All living things move. Just as you are sitting, if you want to go to another place, you can go. If you want to move your hand, you can move your hand also. All living things move while non-living things can't move. Animals move around to get from place to place. Plants grow and turn towards the light. Plants move, but we don't feel their movement, but they move always towards the light. Animals move from place to find food, shelter and water. Even we human beings are also moving. We humans move and go to different places. They can run, jump, play, swim, walk and crawl. You can find out here the different animal movements. Animals move about to look for food, water and shelter, to escape from danger and also to find a mate to have young. These are some animals that fly. The movement of animals can be described into the different groups as some animals, those who fly, some animals that walk and run, some animals that swim and some animals that crawl. And you can find out the different images of the animals, those who are in different groups. Like pigeon, dragonfly, ladybird, fly and eagle, those are animals, those who fly. Some of the animals, those who walk and run, are rhinoceros, cow, tiger, elephant and giraffe. Some of the animals, those swim, are shark, then whale, sea lion, goldfish, like this. All the different animals, you can find it up here in the list. These the picture of the human beings. Just as we are moving, sometimes we are jumping, crawling, running, playing, walking. These are all our movements. Now another life process is growth. All living things grow. Animals grow from babies to adults. Seeds grow into plants. All animals, humans and plants grow. Seeds will grow into a tree. Baby will grow into a young man and a kitten will turn into a cat. Babies must be looked after. They can't take care of themselves. You can look here in the picture the growth of animals. You can find out it's an egg and then a chick is born and it's getting older and then it is turning into a hen. Just like a dog also. Then this is the different stages of the plant growth also. A seed, it germinate and then it's growing up and turn into a complete big plant. For us, for human beings, first we are a baby, then crawling, then we are growing up, older, and then we are getting very old. So once we are getting young, and after becoming young we get starting older. So this is our growing. And other life processes, nutrition. All living things need nutrition. Animals eat food to get energy. Living things and food. Why do living things need food? Why do we eat food? We eat food to grow, to be strong, to be healthy. Animals go and find out their food. We human beings cook and eat our food. Like us, the plants are also need food to grow, but they don't eat food, they make their food. Leaves in the plants make their food. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. Living things need food to grow, and these food help them to give us energy. Nutrients for animals. All animals need nutrition. So some animals, those who eat only plants, are called herbivores. There are animals, those who eat only meat, those are carnivores. And there are some animals, those who eat both plant and meat, those are called omnivores. We can list down different animals into the groups: carnivores, herbivores animals, those who eat only plant; omnivores animals, those who eat meat and plant. We human beings are omnivores. What is hibernation? What is hibernation? Do you know that there are some animals, those who sleep for 6 months, and then they used to keep on waking for 6 months? For a longer time they sleep. The process of their sleeping for a longer time is hibernation. When animals hibernate, they go into a very deep sleep that lasts the entire winter, because sometimes some animals are living on a place where it is very cold, so they cannot move outside. So that's why they used to sleep in all the winters. Animals can hibernate for as long as 6 months. Animals that hibernate. In the United States, there are quite a few animals that hibernate. Can you name some hibernating animals? Just think, can you name? These are some of the animals which hibernate. Why do animals hibernate? Why? What is the reason? Why do they hibernate? Why do they sleep for 6 months? Animals hibernate in order to survive the long winters. In winter time, everything gets cold and there is little food left for animals to eat. So animals survive by conserving energy through hibernation. How do animals hibernate? Before animals can go into hibernation, they must prepare for the time they will be asleep. Some animals prepare by eating a lot of food, and others collect food in the fall and store it in for the winter. When animals hibernate, their hearts beat slower and their body temperature cools to match the weather outside. They try not to use any energy during the hibernation period. Thank you.